Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Angela Bliss. You have caught us on our weekly Rock and Pork collaboration. I hope that you enjoyed what Louise McKay brought to you, and of course Lori Houston. I am diving into a budget series using craft paints. Apple Barrel, Deco Art, Folk Art, Craft Smart paints. I have tons of them. I don't use them as much anymore, but I really should. I'm gonna start this week, right now, with the first video on my budget painting series. We're gonna call it Art on a Budget, and we're gonna start this week, right now, tonight, with Deco Art's neon colors. And I'm going to do a beautiful neon blowout and then use a catalyst wedge and then put a black light to it, and it is amazing. So I'm gonna get you guys down on the canvas and we're gonna get started. I'm so glad you're here, so let's paint. Hello guys, I'm Angela Bliss with Angie's Art Asylum. I hope everyone is well. I am going to use some neons with an Artist Loft Soft Body Black, and we're going to then use a catalyst wedge. I got a number 2 catalyst wedge here, and we've got the green, orange, blue, and pink. I got all of these a while back in a pack together in all 4, and I haven't used them because, like everybody else, we get kind of wrapped up in the new stuff, and that's okay, but I think we kind of need to get back to the basics, which means that all of us who have tons of craft paint laying around need to use them. So that's what I'm doing. This is a series that I'm going to be doing about producing quality artwork on a budget. So today we're using the Folk Art paint, not expensive at all. And of course the Artist Loft Black Soft Body is not expensive at all. And I've just mixed these with American Floetrol that you can get at Home Depot or order through Amazon. And of course they have went up on their prices, but still not a super expensive pouring medium at all, considering other things that we could be using. So be on the lookout for these videos from me. I've actually completed another one that's drying right now, and that one will be released as well. This video is part of the collaboration, and I hope you guys found what Louise and Lori brought to us was very interesting and of course very creative and beautiful as always. So let's get started. I'm going to just flood my canvas here. And then I'm gonna layer the colors on the bottom, and then we're just gonna kind of play around with the catalyst wedge through it and see what we get. Maybe I can find my black light so that when we do the wet flow over, we can see if it glows in the dark. Again, like I said, this paint has been mixed 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint. Still rather on the thicker consistency. So hopefully the catalyst wedge will take hold and bite and kind of form. We'll be able to see the results of it. Alrighty guys. I'm gonna torch this one more time. It should be fun. Okay. Let's do this, guys. Let's do this. So, got more orange than any other color. I don't know why. So we're just gonna kind of zigzag these down. Hopefully we won't get too much mud. Put a little bit more of that orange. Good though. Okay. I do have a leftover homemade cell activator. It is Louise McKay's recipe. If you go to her channel, I'm sure she has a video. I will link that down in the description box. It's made with lamp black and American Floetrol and Minwax wood conditioner. Told you we were going budget. Okay. just gonna blow this out. A little bit more of this pink. I love it. A little bit of mud here, but it's okay. Pretty. All right. Pull this kind of closer to me. Here we go. Oh, pretty. So pretty. Oh, I love it. Blow some of this out a little bit right up here. So pretty. All right, guys. Love those little sails. Looks good. Okay. Cross your fingers that it dries well. Oh, it's so pretty. A little tree. and call that good. Try to blow this out a little more here. We're gonna add a little bit of blue up here. That green kind of took over, but it's blue. The pink. Oh yeah. A little more blue over here too. A little more pop there on the side. Oh, pretty. That's really pretty right there. Okay. Looks like I'm done. Let me see if I can find a black light, and we'll get you down and we'll look at it and see if it glows in the dark. We'll see. Fun, fun. Back to the basics, guys. So pretty. Hold up just a second. Okay, guys, here it is. Oh, it's super pretty. I just love it. And then I'm going to show you. Awesome. Try to show you the black light. Hold on a second. Okay. Oh, wow. There we go. So that's pretty wicked, huh? It looks like a tree in the middle. Pretty cool. Okay, guys, let me know what you guys think in the comments. I absolutely love this painting. Let's get back to the basics. Art on a budget. Be looking for the next installment video. Talk to you then. Bye.